This wolf had a broken leg, and a man was trying to help. But the wolf was aggressive, making it impossible for the man to get close. Despite this, the man didn't give up. He noticed the wolf was extremely thirsty, so he offered it a bowl of water. The water helped calm the wolf, and it eventually accepted the man's kindness. The man quickly took the wolf to a hospital, where it received timely treatment. The wolf stayed at the man's home to recover and regained its health there. Once healed, the man released the wolf back into the wild. Surprisingly, the very next night, the wolf returned, showing it had bonded with the man. From then on, the wolf began living with him. When the man feeds his other pets, the wolf even gets jealous, prompting the man to give him his own share. Now, the wolf is fully part of the family,